told you that I'ma get it without the wedding ring. I told you that I'm committed to the game. It's YONAS, you know the name. They tried to keep me down, but just look what I became. And I told them all I'ma sign to something that's cautionary, cause all these rappers can get bodied, this is my mortuary. So welcome into my closet, I got some skeletons deeper than the mind that Walter Mitty was dwelling in. But I never parted ways with my imagination. I just evolved, this album is like the maturation. No exaggeration, rap is oversaturation. Still I hit the stage, and if you love it, all you gotta do is
tell me.
Don't keep it on the low, girl, you gotta
Tell me.
don't keep it quiet, girl, you just gotta
Tell me.
I understand, you ain't gotta have a plan. All you gotta do, girl, is
Tell me.
don't keep it on the low, girl, you gotta
Tell me.
don't keep it quiet, girl, you just gotta
Tell me.
I understand, you ain't gotta have a plan. I'ma make sure that everything's alright. Oh baby, I know you wanna run, cause these other dudes too serious and that shit ain't no fun. We can hit the pedal bike and ride into the sun. It's the Matrix, I'm your Neo, baby, I could be the one. Lights, camera, action, this could be a starring role. It's the perfect scene, we ain't gotta play the part to know.